I didn't realize how more challenging it is to find customers online when you're trying to reach a bigger market. I've been in business for a very long time and already had a website many years ago. But I was serving local clients who found my website on Google Business and other online local directories. I thought they would just find me too on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. But nope. I later on realized that nobody seems to see me at all, that I have to be the one to look for them, find them, and be where they are. That's when the problem started. They were all over the place, in different social media platforms. So I jumped from one platform to the next, trying to find and give value to my target audience. Despite that, they didn't only not find me, I ended up so exhausted. What I'm going to share with you in this video is something I've learned out of frustration. I told myself, I want people to find me, not me going to different places to find them. And I did it. If you want to find out how, stay with me up to the very end. I'll appreciate it if you can give this video a like so it can be shown to more people who deserve to know this. I also upload a new video every Wednesday, so hit that subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss any video I post. So how did I make the right people find me? First, I created a very clear ideal customer profile that was not so much based on demographics but focused on who I want to serve and what their characteristics are. One word stood out to me: driven. I stopped focusing on the age range because I kept getting mixed signals on who's interested in my offer. I also started paying attention to my own challenges, not the past, but the present. Which brings me to the next thing I did: refresh my story. This is something I didn't intentionally do. I kept hearing the same thing from online coaches and entrepreneurs. You need to create an offer based on something you've overcome. You need to tell a powerful story. The problem was, I couldn't find a story that clicked with me. Yes, I have a powerful story about how I started my business after my divorce. But that was too long ago. I didn't feel so much passion talking about it. It was a totally different season. Besides, my goals then as an entrepreneur were totally different from what it is now. I also have a powerful story about starting a business here in America a year after I moved here from another country. But that's not a business I'm passionate about. Then there's the story of overcoming huge challenges in my marriage. But I'm not trying to be a relationship or marriage coach. Then it dawned on me that the problems I had in navigating through the online space, including financial loss, created a brand new and fresh story. This fresh story, or fresh new story though, came as a result of pain, which brings me again to my next point. My pain point pinpointed a solution. One day, as I was figuring out solutions to my problems, I realized that my audience are the people who are going through exactly the same thing, that my pain is the same pain they're going through. The stronger I felt it, the more I was able to relate to my audience. It's not anymore the demographics that mattered, not even the ideal customer profile I created. This time, it's based on the pain point and the urgency to find a solution. When my bank account started to run dry, I felt a great urgency to find a solution. That's exactly where my target audience is, on the verge of giving up, probably getting broke too. Things not working for them in the online space, no matter what methods they apply. That pain motivated me to find a solution that will remove the pain of my audience. First, giving them hope, then offering them solutions that will work for them too. Because I've been there, not many years ago, but fresh from there. This brings me to my next point. I reignited my passion. Freshness of my experience created so much passion in me that magnetized my audience. It wasn't the old Lisa talking about her success that began in 1999, but the new Lisa who just went through a storm when she navigated through the online space. That made my audience pay attention to me. Again, I didn't move from place to find my audience. I stayed where I was and modified my message and offer to make them more targeted, and my target audience started finding me. All I need to do is post a content or do a live video, and there my audience will be. I'm not talking about hundreds and thousands of views or likes or subscribers. I'm talking about conversion. People who find me, pay attention, sign up for my email list, and enroll in my program without me trying so hard to promote my business. These are the things I've learned and what brought amazing results to my online business. And if you're my target audience, you'll be saying right now, I want what she has. I'll follow what she did. And if this is you, I want to invite you to be a part of my LNC Insider community, where I deliver exclusive insider advice, actionable tips, and behind-the-scenes stories on how to create a targeted online presence towards your business growth. I also have a free PDF document you can download. Just click the link you see on the screen, or you can head later to the video description. Let's connect on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.